The ordinary problem is hard enough to face, but little changes has been slowly taking place. We don't take each other for everything we are, or rearrange my life again, the life we made start. You got to love me for what I am, for simply being me. Don't love me for what you intend. I hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to feed your fantasy, you're really not in love. So let me go. I must be free.
Ang galing naman ni Mamu. Ilang taon ka na, Mamu? 32. Ah, bata pa pala si Mamu. Parang 42. Si Mamu, makeup artist to. So, isa siya sa nag-makeup sa ating napakagandang pagsahala pag may mga event. So, kung kailangan niyo si Mamu, ayan, may kural yan. Thank you, Mamu. Good luck.